Hey guys, this is the journey, and my windshield washer fluid is not doing the job. The right one is still hooked up, the left one breaks off. That's a common problem with these, so I will change that today. Let's go ahead and open the hood. So that's broken off, you can see underneath. But those end pieces there, you just kind of squeeze them with a plier and then they pop up on top of the hood. All you need is a plier just to squeeze those end things there. So this is it, top of the hood, that's the sprayer. You just press those end pieces and then it comes out really easy. And this hose actually just hooks in there. It was in there, underneath there, and in there. And that's the other one hole, and that's the other one hole. So it hose comes out of the way real easy. Now we have to figure out how to get that end piece off that's broken off. This is still part of the sprayer, I believe. Let me get the new parts and see what we figure out. So this is the new one. Open that up. And yeah, the sprayer is definitely longer. This piece here, bottom piece there, is still in the hose. So we will have to see how we can get that out. Okay, that's easy. Right there we have it, just a plier. This is the only tool I've used so far, and I think that will be the only tool I need. This one's going a bit harder, but it's coming. There you go. It is out. Simple as that. There you have the old one. This is the new one. We'll go around the hood. You want it spraying back. And just like that, it's installed. Do the other one. There you go. That's in. Grab the hose. Put the hose is in its position. Now we're just going to connect the hose, and let's connect the hose to the sprayers. Just like that. And we're done. To prevent this from happening, don't use your windshield wiper sprayers when this is frozen up. So their pressure builds up in here when there's ice on here in the morning. And sometimes there's a bit of ice on the windshield, and people have the idea of spraying windshield washer fluid onto the windshield to help melt the ice if it's just a little bit. Not a bad idea, but on the Dodge Journey, that's a bad idea because then those break. I have had this vehicle for 2 years, and that's the second time I've had to replace the sprayers. And if you pull out of the wash, like if you have a car wash and it's cold outside, first thing you get out of the wash, use your windshield washer fluid a bit so the water runs out, and then that'll prevent that from happening. If you start up in the morning, run the car for a bit and clear all the ice, run the car until it warms up a bit, and then use your washer fluid. Don't do it when it's all frozen on top of the windshield or the sprayers.